Welcome back to Driveline Motion, the place where we break down the latest rides so you know what's worth your time and money. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Hyundai Venue, a compact crossover that's been getting a lot of attention for its value-packed features and urban versatility. For 2025, Hyundai has refined the Venue's look with a slightly sharper front grille, updated lighting, and small design tweaks that make it feel more modern without straying from its approachable personality. This isn't a vehicle built to flex muscle or dominate trails. It's made for those who want practical performance in a compact footprint. Under the hood, you'll find the familiar 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine pushing out around 121 horsepower, paired with a CVT that keeps things smooth and efficient. It's no race car, but the Venue moves confidently through city traffic and holds its own on the freeway. The ride is surprisingly composed. The steering is light but responsive, and its compact size means squeezing into tight parking spots or maneuvering through crowded streets is no problem. In terms of speed, you're not breaking any records here, 0 to 60 in just under 10 seconds, but that's not what the Venue is about. It's designed to keep your fuel bills low and your daily drives easy, and it does that really well. You can expect around 31 to 33 miles per gallon combined, which is solid for this segment. The cabin offers a clean layout with an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a decent list of safety features like lane keep assist, forward collision avoidance, and driver attention warning, all standard. Hyundai clearly packed in as much value as possible without inflating the price tag. Speaking of which, the 2025 Venue starts at about $21,000 and goes up depending on the trim and features you pick. That puts it among the most affordable options in the subcompact SUV class, especially when you factor in Hyundai's industry-leading warranty. So what's the final word? The Venue isn't trying to be something it's not. It's a smart, budget-conscious crossover with just enough tech, efficiency, and flexibility to satisfy everyday drivers. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just want a second vehicle that won't drain your wallet, the 2025 Hyundai Venue makes a strong case. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Venue. This is Driveline Motion, and we'll catch you in the next one.